Good morning. The news is out. We have a weekend special, our Phyto Exquisites night cream. You may know that in May, we have the complete range of the necessities as well as the facial essence and a serum that is on special offer. We just needed the night cream to add to that. So here we have it. Now, why would we want to use a night cream? The night cream is there to, while you sleep, to work on your skin, rejuvenate the skin, regenerate the cells, put back hydration while you sleep. Who needs this? Anybody who doesn't use a night cream. If you're using the Feinbos range and you don't have a night cream, this you can add. If you feel like you feel a bit run down when you wake up in the morning, you should use a night cream. And if you are using the facial essence, you can seal it in with a night cream, and then that goodness just gets to work. This is a fantastic offer. We haven't seen it at this price in about 3 years. So enjoy the night cream and make sure that you wake up refreshed and revived and feeling beautiful.